Ganun kaya si Alisa. Ner! May R. Okay. So, Ashler, are you ready for the fast talk?
Okay.
Okay. Dun. Medyo mga hot seat questions. Joke lang. Hindi naman. Chill lang naman to. Okay. Ashley, crop top or oversized shirt?
Oversized.
Bakit? Question. Okay, me crop top. Me. Beach or
Wow.
pool? Crop top yarn.
Beach or
Pool.
beach?
Same. Beach. Bakit? Anong maganda sa beach ba na yun yung pinili mo?
No, parang hindi beach kasi ayoko yung sand. You know, parang nag-go-go.
Ba't ka pupuntang beach kung ayaw?
I mean, pool na lang.
Nag-change tuloy siya ng sagot, guys. Okay. Here. This is like, sobrang importante ng question. Aesthetic or judgment?
I mean, aesthetic.
Ay, aesthetic. Mamaya gugustuhin mo yung judgment life.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, gagawin nating judgment si Ashley Delmunder. Shoes or heels?
Shoes.
Shoes, same. Kahit malit ako, shoes pa rin. Kasi yung hirap.
How tall are you?
Ay? I'm 5 flat. I'm small. I'm shorter than.
What if you're not? What if I'm shorter?
Ay! What's your height ba?
I don't know this. 5'1". 5'1"?
5'1". We'll see na lang. When we see each other, magkakaalaman tayo kung sino mas matangkad.
Okay.
Sana ako, para at least once naman, like sometimes sa life na mas matangkad ako sa tao. Okay. Netflix or YouTube?
YouTube for me.
Netflix. YouTube or yarn? Thank you! For the chocolate hills. Mommy Fowl, thank you. Thank you, Ashdrea, for the scramble. Thank you, Lollipop1998, for the scramble. Ang cute ng scramble, wala lang. Tapon ko lang nalaman na may scramble. Okay. Singing or dancing?
Dancing. Ako. Ikaw,
Ay,
singing.
sample nga. Singing. Oh yeah, I saw this. Oh, yeah, nalaman ko din na. You used to do cheerleading also.
I did gymnastics, but not
Ay,
cheer.
wow. Flexible. Flexible si Ashley nyo, guys.
Hindi ko alam now if flexible pa.
When ka nag-gymnastics?
I mean, I taught myself how to like mga 11. Tapos I taught myself how to do a backflip. Tapos I landed on my head. So tinigil ko na.
Buwis buhay. Bakit? Buti hindi mo masyado nabagok yung ulo.
It was on a trampoline kasi.
Oh, okay. But it's scary pa rin. Sobrang natatakot ako kahit sa Kahit sa bed. Wala lang.
Sa pag-lift. Natatakot ka sa pag-lift.
Yeah, so pag nililift ako, kahit elevator lang, sobrang natatakot ako. Kasi feel ko, isang ganun lang mahuhulog na ako. But have you tried cheerleading or gymnastics lang all the way? I wanna try gymnastics, honestly.
Diba
Pero